Hello everyone, welcome back to our drawing video. Today we are going to draw two very famous characters from Zootopia, the brave little bunny Judy and the clever fox Nick. First, let's start with Judy. We begin with her left eye. Draw a small black circle right in the center, then draw a bigger circle around it to shape the full eye. Now we do the same for her right eye. One little black circle, then a larger ring around it. Take your time, no need to rush. We want her to look bright and sharp, just like in the movie. Next, go to the upper eyelid of the left eye. Draw that lid, then darken it to give the eye more expression. Suddenly, Judy looks more alive. Now repeat that process on the right side. Shade the eyelid, then add a couple of soft curved lines to shape the eye fully. When both eyes are done, Judy already looks like she is ready to solve a mystery. Move down to her nose, upper lip, front teeth, and her cheerful smile. Draw a curved line, bending downward from the mouth. Follow it with another curve to complete the mouth shape. From the upper left, draw a curved line down toward the chin, forming one fluffy cheek. She looks friendly, determined, and maybe a little energetic, like a real officer. Now let's work on her ears. Draw the ear on the left, slightly angled like she's listening for clues. Inside it, draw a similar shape but smaller to show the pink, soft inner ear. Repeat it for the right ear. Two tall, proud rabbit ears that no sound can escape. If your ear lines wobble a little, that's fine. Even Judy hops around sometimes. Now draw the collar, the front of her uniform, and her left arm resting on her hip. She looks confident, doesn't she? Almost like she is posing for the police department poster. Then draw her other arm holding a walkie-talkie. I wonder what she is saying. Maybe calling backup? Maybe ordering carrot snacks. Who knows? Next, draw her badge on the chest, a shiny little symbol of duty. Then, shape her waist and her long legs stretching outwards. We want her stance to look steady, strong, ready to dash into action anytime. Draw the belt and all the small police gadgets. Flashlight, handcuffs, maybe even carrot juice. Add her small, fluffy tail in the back. Cute, quick, and important for balance when jumping. Now we move on to Nick. Start with his left eye, then the right one. Make them calm but smart. Nick always knows something we don't. Draw the top of his head, then follow down to the nose. From the nose, curve a line across into a sideways grin. Nick rarely smiles big, but he loves a clever smirk. Next, draw his two fox ears raised up like upside-down letter V shapes. tall, alert, like he's hearing something interesting. Draw the collar of his shirt, then both arms cross confidently across his chest. He looks relaxed, but we know he's always thinking. Continue down to the bottom of his shirt and draw his tie. Remember to add diagonal stripes on it, because Nick likes to look stylish. Now draw his long legs and his feet stretched slightly outwards. He stands casually, like nothing can surprise him. And of course, we draw the tail. A big, fluffy foxtail sweeping to the right and curving just a bit upward. Without that tail, Nick just wouldn't be Nick. Now the drawing lines are done, and get ready for the best part. Coloring time! Let's bring Judy to life with colors. First, use light gray or light brown for her fur. Add pink inside her ears to make them soft and lively. Dark brown or purple for the eyelids for extra expression. Color her shirt light blue, and her pants dark blue. Her socks and protective vest also dark navy blue. Color the walkie-talkie with the same dark navy tone. Her collar stays light blue. Paint the police badge yellow so it shines like gold. The belt should be navy blue as well. Add darker blue shading at the waist and under the arm to show light and shadow. Now let's color Nick. Use light orange or soft orange for the face area around the eyes, under his chin, and inside his ears. Then use darker orange or red brick tones for the fur, the tail, and the feet. His pants are brown, his shirt a bright leaf green. The tie can be purple or dark navy purple, whichever you like best. Color his eyebrows brown. And his irises bright green. Paint his nose dark brown. Use a slightly lighter orange for the tail edges to highlight the fluffy fur. Take a look. Judy stands bold and ready for duty. Nick leans cool and confident beside her. Together, they look like they're about to solve a brand new case. And we did it! Thank you for drawing along with me today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you again in the next drawing.